Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to go over this deal that's been kind of here and there. It's the spend $100 today, get 20% off a single item later. Let's dive in. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's go over this. Maybe a few of you have seen it. Let me know your thoughts so far, but let's read it through. I can confirm it looks like it's real. Isn't really being promoted, but it looks like it's real. Let's start off reading this one, which is clear. Customers who spend $100 in your store in a single transaction between 2/9, so that's today, to 2/12 will receive a coupon for 20% off any single item to use between the 16th and the 1st. So a 2-week time frame. Coupon will be emailed to the customer within 72 hours of their eligible purchase. So the customer will need to provide a valid email address at the register if they don't already have one on file. If the customer already has an email registered with us, verify that the email is correct to make sure they'll receive the coupon. You'll receive a task with in-store signage to spread the word for customers who come in to shop. The ad will be shared via email, other digital channels to inform customers in your area about the offer. In participating stores only, so it might not be everywhere, but we do have a list. Obviously, won't go through everything. In participating stores only, spend $100 now through February 12th. Get 20% off any single item. So this is on Reddit, but here we are. Let's zoom in a little bit on the Harbor Freight website. On the Harbor Freight website, offer valid at participating stores only. To qualify, customers spend $100 in a single store transaction, or $100 or more in a single in-store transaction between 2/9 and 2/12. So it has to be one transaction of $100 or more. It can't be multiple transactions over those days. Excludes ITC membership, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Okay, makes sense because gift card would be an easy way. Other restrictions may apply. A valid email address must be provided at the time of purchase. A single-use coupon will be issued via email within 72 hours. So pretty similar to the flyer verbiage, but this is actually on the website. Coupon valid in-store only from the 16th to the 1st. Limit 1 coupon per customer. Additional terms, conditions, and exclusions may apply. See coupon for full details. So I don't see the coupon yet, but here's the fine wording and then a list of all the stores that are participating. And we start off with multiple Arizona stores. I don't know how many Harbor Freight stores there are total. If I am looking at this correctly, am I seeing that there is no California stores even listed? It jumps from Arizona to Connecticut, from Connecticut to Delaware, assuming this is all in alphabetical order. Plenty of Florida stores, Georgia, Idaho, and I don't see any California stores, which not everybody's in California. So maybe not valid in California, but it looks like everywhere else. That is very, very interesting. I'll have this linked in the description if you want to look to see if your store is here or any of your stores are here. But it does appear that this is going on. Now, the way I'm reading it, it does feel a little bit like back in the day when I used to shop at Kohl's. You get your Kohl's cash, which would make you come back into the store to be able to use. And it could be helpful, could not be, depending how you lined up your shopping, like as long as you were shopping as you needed. It does say must spend $100 or more in-store single transaction, which means this is going on over the first 3 days of this week. So the only real things that you could be shopping for are your super coupons, which go through the 16th, which if you were planning on a few of these, it would make sense. Like if you were planning to buy the $50 off of the Bauer drywall sander, great deal. You'd qualify for 20% off to use between the 16th and the 1st, which is just before the parking lot sale. So you'd either use it with a super coupon or you'd use it with one of the ITC deals that are going on through the 26th. But you're definitely not using it to go spend $100 just to get 20% off, because that's just spending unnecessarily. You obviously want to make it line up with one of your deals that you're looking at. ITC is going on through the 26th. Bauer backpack, 28% off, $50. You'd be $50 short. 25% off the laser level. Those combined will almost get you there to the $100. Don't forget, we got the flap disc sale going on still to the 26th, and some decent deals on G1 ratchets. We do have the new icon pick set, which would be one of the rare things you pick up without a coupon, just because it's pretty neat. We'll get you $20 worth of the way, 40% off the transfer pump, huge deal, 30% off all bottle jacks. We do have this Pittsburgh bottle jack, $60 off of $160 going on right now through the 16th. That's 38% off. 38% off for this 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack right now, and it'll get you 1 penny away, probably with tax, which I think would work. 38% off, better than the parking lot sale. So just remember, don't forget, some of the super coupons ITC deals can be really good. Beats this 30% off red banner, although you just have more choices. But the 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack, $100, $60 off is nuts. But I guess the main thing is just, what do the HARBROs think of this? Spend $100 now through February 12th. Get 20% off any single item on any purchase between the 16th and March. I have not seen Harbor Freight do a sale like this. I'm a little bit torn as to how I feel about it, but because the HARBROs know the coupons, it just depends how you use it. It could just be, like, I'm optimistic, it could just be a free 20% off coupon, an extra 20% off coupon. Yes, you're spending something, but if you were already, it has to line up with something you were already going to get. Get something that's a great deal, 37% off the 20-ton air hydraulic jack, 33% off the electrician shears. There's definitely items that'll get you there as long as you're in need. Maybe you're going to go with Atlas, the Atlas battery, $40 off of $140. That gets you 20, almost 29% off the Atlas battery. Lines up well with the 20% off at least of the Atlas mower. So there is possibilities, there is options to do. I feel a little bit odd about it, but I feel like there's a right way to do it. But then again, there's also a wrong way to do it. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know what you think about this new sale that Harbor Freight is trying to do, new type of offer. Is it bad? Is it good? I think we can make it work. It just depends how you use it. But that's why you're a HARBRO. If not, please subscribe and follow and like, because we'll keep you adept of all the deals as soon as they're out. Anyways, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Again, let me know your thoughts. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your